think the market should be focusing on right now?
Well, let's start with the fact that gold closed at new all-time highs today, and it's been such an underreported story, but it is quite significant because there are two different reasons why gold could have done that. One is it's anticipating higher inflation that could get out of control. And the other is that it's anticipating that this sort of move into the long bonds, regardless of what the Fed does in September, is signaling trouble under the surface, and it's becoming a flight to safety, partly again because of geopolitics. So that would be one thing I would focus on. But I would also focus on the oil market right now because people are getting so bearish, and it had a pretty nice bounce back over $78 a barrel if you're looking at WTI. And we are getting headlines out of the Middle East, which is really suggesting that the chaotic situation there can only exacerbate as opposed to calm down. Then you put on top of that the anti-globalism that's happening, the populism that's happening, the fact that in this country people are still in pretty good shape, but yet also feeling stretched. I think that really right now you have to focus on the small caps, the gold, and the tech. Because that relationship got real wide. Tech came down, small caps came up. We have to see now what happens. Do small caps continue and tech sort of stays in the game? Does tech take over and small caps fall? Any of those things, I think, will give a clue as to what's going to happen in the economy next.
Right, Michelle, we have about a couple of minutes to go. So very quickly, this is a big one that I got from your notes where you're saying that you see 2025 to be the return to EVs.
Yeah, yes, I actually do believe that, and partly because everything we was talking about, oil, when oil goes up, people do tend to go back to EVs. They've been so unpopular, I think that they will come back, and we have our eye not only on Tesla, but on Rivian as well.